Set to go now, penultimate race. They're off and racing. Brother Barack draws for your lead. Restless Heart is in second. Running on the outside third. Mama, don't preach. My wife knows all by the rail. Then followed by Yes, Pogi, while Boss J is in behind them, heading towards the 800 meters pole. A solo leader, Brother Barack, maintaining a 5 lengths lead. My wife knows all, moving up to take second, then on the outside, moving up. Mama, don't preach, then followed by Restless Heart. Yes, Pogi. And trailing the group, Boss G, rounding towards the 450. Brother Barack is still out in front, this time by about 5 lengths. Mama, don't preach, moving up to take second. My wife knows all is by the rail third. Restless Heart with 200 meters to race. Brother Barack still leading the field. Mama, don't preach remains in second with 75 meters. It's still Brother Barack over Mama Don't Preach. And finally, Ryan Camanero on Brother Barack winning this race over Mama Don't Preach. My wife knows all. Yes, Pogi. Restless Heart, Boss G.